In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry bread recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, 1½ cup of strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, half a cup of oil, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You will also need 1½ cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of strawberries, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of water. In a bowl, add in the egg and beat until smooth. Add in the sugar and the milk and mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add in the salt, vanilla extract, and lemon zest and mix well. Now add in the oil and mix until completely combined. Add in half of the lemon juice. Slowly add in the flour and mix until there's no clumps left. Add in the baking powder. In a bowl, we're going to add in the 1½ cup of strawberries and the cornstarch and mix until they're completely coated. Add the strawberries to the batter and mix until evenly distributed. We're going to pour our batter into a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Take out onto a cooling rack and let cool completely. Melt the butter completely in the microwave. In a bowl, we're going to add in the strawberries and mash them until they become smooth. Add the melted butter and mix. Add in the powdered sugar, lemon juice, and water and mix until a smooth glaze forms. We're going to pour this glaze over our strawberry bread and we're going to let it sit until it becomes hard. Use a knife to cut the bread into slices. Our strawberry bread is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.